Once again, fifth graders, we can't do both the graph paper and the image, so we're just going with the image. Here we have a double bar graph, and if you notice here on the key, we have the green being the number of people who attended a picnic, and the purple being the number of people who attended the concert. So year 1, year 2, year 3, and just kind of look and see. This is in terms of the number of people. Notice the increments that it goes up. It says number of people. This is a year, and then the title, attendance at carnival, and then again just to point out the key. So this is a double bar graph, and notice it's comparing two things that are related: attendance at a carnival, but these who went to the picnic and these who went to the concert. Our first question is the graph. Let's go and fix that, just because the graph shows a attendance of people attending an afternoon picnic and evening concert. Concert. Do you see a pattern? If so, what is it? Okay, so looking at this, the graph shows the attendance of people attending an afternoon picnic, okay, and that's the green, and then the concert over a number of years. Do you see a pattern? And if you see a pattern, what pattern do you see? Why don't you pause the video, take a couple seconds, and see what you can find. All right, fifth graders, if you said that the pattern, that it just increases, and then yeah, that's what the pattern. So attendance has increases every year. All right, sorry, I don't have my good stylus. It's actually sitting at school because I made a video this morning. All right, our next question is asking for a little bit of interpretation and what scientists call extrapolate. In year 4, about 45,000 people attended the picnic. About how many I went caps lock there. About how many chairs will be needed for the concert? It's spelled concert again. All right. So the next year we have 45,000 people, which, so I can, if I want, I can go to, let's go to green. The next year we have 45,000. I need my pen here. We have 45,000 people. Oops, that's a little. So how many people do you think, how many chairs will be needed from the concert? So I want us to take some time and see what information you can garner from this graph and see if you can hazard a guess, all right? Now, hopefully, fifth graders, as you looked at this, that you saw the relationship between the people who attended the picnic and people who attended the concert. So the first year we had about 15,000 attended the picnic, 30,000 the concert. The second year, about 25 the picnic, about 50 the concert. The third year, 35 came to the picnic, 70 went to the concert. So basically we have a 1-to-2 ratio. So now if we have 45 people at the picnic, well, if we double that, we're going to need about approximately 90,000 chairs for the concert, because it's one person, it's double what attended the picnic. Okay. Our final question is asking about the next year. So in year 5, if the pattern continues, how many people will attend the picnic, the concert? So how many people do you think are going to attend the picnic and the concert as we look at year 5? So why don't you look through here, knowing that, let's see, I can probably draw, that's purple, I can probably draw up to 90 is going to be up to here. So what do you think, what can you draw and what can you extrapolate, which is what scientists call taking data and then bringing it to and filling it out to see what it would be. So why don't you take some time and extrapolate what you think attendance will be in year 5 for the picnic and the concert. Now, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you saw a pattern emerge as you were looking at these numbers. In year 1, we had 15,000. In year 2, 25,000. In year 3, 35,000. In year 4, 45,000. So if you continue on with that pattern, year 5 of people attending the picnic will be 55,000, because each year it goes up by 10,000. Now, with that being said, remember last time when we were looking at the picnic concert ratio, we have 15, 30, 25, 50, 35, 70, 45, 90. So we're going to double this as well, and we should come up with 110,000 attend the concert. Alright, so that's video 3. Video 4 is you're going to be making your own graphs with data. So yeah, hopefully everything's going well and you're understanding everything that we've done thus far. But the next video is all about you and all about making your own graphs.